My name's Cassandra. We'll be doing the heart exterior procedure right now. Here's the groove. Here's the apex right here. The pericardium is the outside layer. Right here you can see the difference. It kind of peels off and that's the inside, but the outside is the pericardium. This is the left ventricle. This is the right. You can tell because the left ventricle is thicker. Right here's the myocardium. This is the muscle of the heart. Right here's the ventral. It's otherwise known as the base.
Good.
So right here is the left ventricle. It's pretty much the muscle. Right here is the left atrium. Right here is the right ventricle. And then the right atrium. Alright, so right here, this is a pulmonary artery. You can, let's see if I can just show you, it goes all the way through. And then the coronary artery is these arteries.
Alright, go ahead.
This is the aorta. So right here is the pulmonary trunk or veins, and you can see it goes through right here. So this is where the vena cava would be. So right here is the right atrium, and my inferior and superior vena cava has actually been cut off. Right here, all these strings are the tricuspid valves. Tendinae. Right here are also the coronary tendinae.
Okay, all right, here we go.
So right here is your right ventricle. It looks like a dog ear. So is this. Yeah? Right here is your spectrum.
Okay, here we go, ready.
So right here is the right pulmonary artery. As you can tell, it moves down and actually comes out over here.
Okay.
So you see where my finger is? The pulmonary valve is where the tightest spot where my finger is at. Right here is the left atrium. It's actually really pretty. Pulmonary veins would typically be in this area right here, but they have been cut off. Pulmonary veins, semilinear valves.
Here's one. So this is the pulmonary. Aortic is underneath. So if we go to the aorta, which is this big sucker, do you feel a tight spot? Yeah. I have to work it way in there.
Yeah. So the semilinear valve is a tight spot where my finger's at. Are you recording?
Yeah, I am.
Awesome. Okay. The bicuspid or mitral valve. What's the let's see, that's left, this is left.
There you go.
The spidery looking
Crazy stuff.
yeah,
Yes,
crazy
absolutely.
stuff. Left ventricle.
And yeah, that's the thing right there. Yeah, super thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thick, thick, thick. Those little lumps are papillae. Not sure if you have to.
Aortic valve.
That's that semilunar that we already got.
Isn't that right here?
Yep, when we stuck our finger in the aorta, we already did that.
Let's see. Coronary artery.
All right, let's look back on the outside. So on the outside of the hearts, let's see.
Is it like
There's one.
Here's one coronary artery.
And then there's a few others, like over here.
Which is also a groove, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then that's everything.
That's it. Woohoo!